Inside Michael Jackson's life, his wealth, assets, car collection, and home. Michael Jackson wasn't just a music legend, he was a financial powerhouse. At his peak, his net worth surpassed $500 million, fueled by record-breaking album sales, sold-out tours, and epic endorsement deals. His creative genius earned him wealth rivaled by few in the entertainment industry. But where did all that fortune go? From iconic investments to personal luxuries, Michael's spending reflected his artistic flair and larger-than-life personality. Let's uncover how he turned his earnings into symbols of his unique legacy. Michael's Neverland Ranch wasn't just a home, it was a fantasy come to life. Spanning 2,700 acres, it featured a full amusement park, a zoo, and lavish living quarters. It showcased his love for whimsy and his devotion to creating magical spaces. Beyond Neverland, Michael owned stunning properties, including his chic Los Angeles mansions and a fortress in Ireland. Each residence reflected his unmatched taste and a desire to surround himself with beauty. Michael's personal garage was as glamorous as his career. He owned sleek luxury vehicles like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and a rare 1988 Lincoln Town Car limousine. Each car symbolized his elegance, while also embodying his love for cutting-edge technology and style. From Ferraris to custom tour buses, Michael's rides encapsulated his flair for the extraordinary. It's no surprise his collection remains legendary to this day. Michael Jackson's wealth wasn't just about material possessions, it symbolized his impact on music, culture, and millions of fans worldwide. His life reminds us of the heights that creativity and determination can achieve, and the unforgettable mark they leave behind. Whether you're a lifelong MJ admirer or just discovering his brilliance, don't let this story end here. Like, share, and subscribe to join us as we dive deeper into the lives of legends. Celebrate Michael's extraordinary legacy with us.